Hello, TK Kinder and first graders. This is Coach Macias. I hope you are doing well, and welcome to another fun health lesson. We have two more health lessons to go. It is our second to last. Let's make it fun. Some of you are going to kinder health next year. Some of you are going to first grade health, and then some of you will be going to second grade health very soon. So let's get started and let's make the best out of this presentation. So for this week's health lesson, we are going to discuss the systems of a human body. We have a total of 11 systems in our human body. We have previously discussed two systems during our school year. We discussed the muscular system and the digestive system. Now for this week, we are going to touch on three more systems. So you are going to learn total of 5 systems by the end of today. You already know muscular and skeletal. For today, you are going to learn on 3 more systems, which I will discuss in a bit. This is what you are going to do. The first thing you are going to do is watch this video right here. So I want to make sure, first of all, everyone is in our health page. That is where you're going to find this assignment. So first thing, you watch this video, which takes you here. And this video discusses 3 of the systems that I just mentioned. So we are going to discuss today the circulatory system, our digestive system, and our respiratory system. So these are 3 different systems that are really important for the body to live. So digestive system, respiratory system, and our cardiovascular system are going to get discussed today, our circulatory or cardiovascular. So after watching this 6.5-minute long video, I am going to have another video right here below, right in between this All Systems Go and this video, which is the video that you're watching right now. You're going to watch this video, and I am going to assist you on how to do our main activity. So after watching this video, I want you to click on this link right here. So this link is going to take you to our main activity. And this activity is a game where you are going to put what you learned from this video and from the previous muscles and skeletal lessons we've done, and you're going to do a game based on that. So once again, watch this video, and then we are going to click here. So we are going to click, and you might get this page. It might tell you this. Just click on this link right here, and you might get a box that says that you need Adobe Flash Player. If you do not have the Flash Player, you need to download it to be able to play. If you already have it, perfect. So once you have that done, you're going to click on Launch Activity. And it will take you to this website. This guy just asked you to help him find his organs. So the organs are inside your body, and they are attached to certain systems. So based on your knowledge on that video you just watched on YouTube, we are going to play this game. So let's get started. Here is going to give you a timer. Now you do not have a certain amount of time. You could take as long as you need, but this will time you to see how long you took to complete the assignment. So I am expecting the first graders to do a little better than the TKers and the kinders, but this is not a competition. This is more on you testing your knowledge. So let's start.
Start by finding my digestive system.
So you just watched the video and it discussed your digestive system, which is the system that focuses on breaking down the food that you eat, making it into energy, and then later on releasing it. So let's look for organs that have to do with our digestive system. So we know for sure our intestines, right? So we have here our small intestines, Sure, we clicked on it and sure enough, it takes us to our digestive system. And then what about our large intestines? Sure. What else is on our digestive system? I know the stomach, right? The stomach is also part of our digestive system. So let's look for the stomach. Is this a stomach? I don't think so. What about this? This is your lungs. Nope, this is not your stomach. What about here? Oh, sure, look, it has your stomach right here. So let's click on it. It still tells me I need more things in our digestive system. What else? Is our head in our digestive system? I don't know, let's see.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. What else? Oh, yes, the esophagus. That is where the tube in your throat, where your food falls down to the stomach.
Now I feel like nothing's holding me up. Find some important parts of my skeletal system.
So now we need to look for our skeletal system. So let's look for bones. We know that skeleton means our bones. So what here is a bone? Is a skull a bone? Sure, it is. It protects our brain, right? What about the femur? The femur is on our legs. Sure, it is on our quadricep. What else is a bone here? Is our pelvis the bone? Yes, it is. It protects our kidneys. And finally, the rib cage. The rib cage, it is very important because it protects.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And
Respiratory system.
Our rib cage protects our lungs and our heart. That's why our rib cage is really important. So now, this guy right here needs help finding the organs for circulatory and the respiratory. So both the blood and breathing. So let's do that. So is our heart part of any of these? Yes, it is. What about our lungs? Sure, they help us breathe, right? What else? So we have here our veins and arteries. Yes, that is where the blood and all of our energy travels to, all over our body. So yes. And what else is part of our circulatory system? What about your trachea? Remember the trachea is that tube in your throat where air flows. Is that part of your respiratory system? Of course it is.
I feel like I've lost my senses. Find my nervous system.
Oh no, so now we need to help the guy find his nervous system. That means things that have to do with controlling your emotions and your actions, right? So what is the first thing that comes to mind with our nervous system? Of course, it's the brain, right? The brain, yes. And what is the second one? The spinal cord. The spinal cord is connected to your brain and goes to your back, and it sends messages to all your senses, all your body, through all your nerves. So yes, speaking of nerves, these are our nerves right here, of course. And remember, when we're talking about nervous system, we are also talking about our senses. So one of our senses is to see, right? So can we look for eyeballs? I found them right here. And also, what about hearing? That's another one of our senses. Can you find your ears? Sure, they're right here. And another one of our senses is not necessarily breathing, but smelling. You smell with what? Your nose. Where is your nose? Right here.
Thank you so much. Now I feel complete again.
Okay, so now let me explain what you are going to turn in for your health assignment. So once you completed this game, you are either going to take a picture of this right here with the time, or you are going to take a screenshot like I am right now. See? I'm going to take a screenshot, and then I'm going to send that picture or that screenshot to my email, which is right here. jmacis@newlosangeles.org. jmacias@newlosangeles.org. You are going to send a picture of this once you are done to my email, picture or screenshot, all right? So don't forget to watch this video first, and then watch this video that you're watching right now on how to complete the activity. Here's the link where you click on to go to the website. Have fun with the game. Enjoy the activity. I hope you learned a lot. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. Have fun. Enjoy. Have a good one. Bye-bye.